Hi, this is Atif, and you're watching my channel where I'm posting the trading ideas on cryptocurrencies, stocks, and forex, and on different assets, and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Actually, I've posted 7 altcoins which were expected to give profit in next 24 to 48 hours, where all trades are executed successfully, which I've posted in my previous video in few hours. Therefore, I have shortlisted some more trades for you guys, but always do remember diversify is the key to success. Always invest in different assets rather than invest in one. For example, if you have $1,000, then make the pieces of $200 each and invest them in different, for example, in 5 different coins or assets. In this way, if one trade will be collapsed, then you will be able to recover your loss from other trades. That is my suggestion for today. Now, let's move to see the results of my previous trades, which I have posted in my previous video. First, I posted this trade of COS Bitcoin, and on this chart you can see the price action formed a bullish candle, and the price action now has hit the sell target zone, and this trade is executed successfully. The minimum target was 226 satoshis, and it has exactly hit the 226 satoshis. Then I posted this trade of metal US dollar, the MTL US dollar, and this trade is also executed successfully, and the price action has hit the sell target zone. Then I shared this idea with you guys where the DOC USD formed a bullish shark pattern, and now I'm playing the idea, and the price action entered completely in the potential reversal zone and took a very powerful bullish divergence and hit the sell zone. Then I shared this idea with you, and that is IOST US dollar, and in this chart the price action also formed a bullish candle pattern, and this trade is also executed successfully, and the price action took the bullish divergence from this PRZ area and has hit the sell zone. And I shared the same coins idea, the IOST, and this time this idea is shared with the Bitcoin pair, the IOST BTC pair. And on this chart you can see the price action formed a bullish bad pattern, and from this potential reversal zone the price action took the bullish divergence and hit this sell zone. Then I posted this PHB or PHX BTC chart with you guys, and on this trade the price action formed a bullish shark and entered in the potential reversal zone, and now you can see the price action took the bullish divergence, and now it is very close to sell zone. So we can wait for the price action to hit the sell zone, and we can, after that we can sell it. And I also shared this IOTA US dollar trade with you guys, and this is quite interesting trade because if you see after initial leg the A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 618 Fibonacci, and after the completion of A to B leg the B to C leg is retraced between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. So we were expecting that it will complete the last leg of shark, but when I'll play the idea, then you can see the price action has failed to complete the shark leg and failed to enter in this PRZ area and bullish divergence from here and hit the sell zone. So this trade is invalidated. Now this time there is not even a single trade where the stop loss is triggered, and this time our success rate is 100%. Now let's move to my new shortlisted coins, which are going to give profit spikes within next 24 hours. The first trade which I will recommend you is the PHB BTC again. This time the PHB BTC is forming a bullish bad pattern, and I'm expecting that it will be entered in the potential reversal zone soon. If you're already in my previous PHB BTC trade, then you should set your sell targets according to my previous chart. Or otherwise, if you're new to this trade, then you should follow the targets of this chart. The next trade which I'll recommend you is the Golem coin, the GNT Bitcoin pair, and I'm expecting that the price action will enter in this potential reversal zone of shark, cause if you see so far after initial leg, the A to B leg is retraced almost up to 0.382 Fibonacci, cause for the sharks A to B leg we need the retracement at least up to 0.382 Fibonacci and maximum up to 0.618 Fibonacci. And B to C leg is retraced between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. So I'm expecting that the last leg of shark will be completed and the price action will be entered in this PRZ area or buying zone very soon. So you can place your buying orders here and place your sell targets here. The next coin which is going to give the profit within next 24 hours is PPT Bitcoin chart, and on this trade you can see the price action has formed a complete garlic pattern. This is really a very strong chart, but the MACD is strong bearish and the stochastic is in bear cross. So we can wait for the bull signals from these both indicators, and after that we can take the buying we can take the long position or buying orders. The next coin is Dash US dollar, and on this chart you can see the price action is completing the formation of this bullish cipher pattern. So far it has hit the spike within the potential reversal zone, but I'm expecting it will give us another chance to catch it from this potential reversal zone, cause the MACD is strong bearish and we have still more space in the stochastic to move more down. So when the price action will be entered in the potential reversal zone and we will receive the bull signals, at least this MACD should turn weak bearish from strong bearish, then we should place our buying orders. The next coin which I will recommend you is the HyperCash or HC US dollar pair, and this is also a very strong chart. You can see the price action has completed the formation of this bullish bad pattern and entered in this potential reversal zone, and the MACD is already turned weak bearish from strong bearish. For a secure trade we can wait for the stochastic to give the bull cross. I think the stochastic has already given the bull cross from this oversold zone. That's all guys. These are my new recommended trades for you for next 24 hours, and they will definitely, inshallah, they will give the profit spike soon. And I am also sharing the Binance link in the video's description if you don't have an account on the Binance exchange, cause all these assets are available on Binance. So I would recommend you to create your account there and start your trading there. And I have shared all these ideas on Tradingview. Therefore, I am sharing the link of the Tradingview in the video's description. You just need to click on that link, and after that you will be able to visit all these ideas. And from my profile portal, you just need to select the people option when you will be on the Tradingview. And after selecting this people option, you just need to write Moon 333 and click here. Then my portal will be opened and you will be able to follow any of my chart. Thank you so much for watching the complete video guys. I will be back soon with more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel for more profit potential trading ideas. Thank you so much again. Goodbye.